wanted to come on and give you guys a few tips from conversations I've been having with people who are interested in, investing and thinking about their future, and if they have enough money to retire, and if not, how do they come up with that money to retire? If you are at a certain age, you got to figure out what it is. How much do you need to live? What do you need to live on when you retire for your life to be what you consider comfortable? You got to figure out where you need to be. And you got to figure out what your number is. Once you figure out what your number is, then we do what's called reverse engineering. That means we work backwards. We work backwards to figure out what it is that you need. Now, you can put money in a lot of places. And I'll tell you this, where it comes to the stock market. Where it comes to the stock market, one good thing to buy is, if it's a place that you shop at all the time, you need to buy their stock. If it's something that you use that somebody sells, that's a stock that maybe you should buy. If you know of any stock, if you know of any product that once they add the AI component to it, it's already good, but once the AI component to it, it's going to be great. I'm telling you right now, go buy some of that stock, because the stock is going to go pew. That's what it's going to do, because people are going to want more of it because of the AI capability. Now, I'm telling you, I like to do room rental. That's where it's called Split Pad. It's a great thing to do. If you're interested in it, let me know. I'd love to teach you what to do, how to do it, how to work it, and get yourself set up. When you're doing that and you are setting yourself up for your retirement, you don't need as many properties as you think. And so you get you a few good properties, and if you keep your properties up and you take care of your tenants will take care of you. So, and then as you come to an age when you need to do stuff with your property, I'm going to teach you that too. I'm going to teach you how to set up a trust, and I'm going to teach you how to use that trust for your best interest. Guys, it has been a great day. It's been a pleasure just chatting with you guys. If anybody has any questions, or if you're interested in finding more about investing so you can secure your future, please reach out to me. I'd love to sit down, have a conversation with you. You can book a 30-minute consultation where we can talk about it, and I can tell you how you get started, what you need to do, and I can just walk you through the process.